Good morning, children. A very good morning. Today, a very interesting topic is living and non-living things. Today, what is our topic, children? Lesson is 10. Living and non-living things. Living and non-living things, children. Okay. First, previous class also, plant world, teacher told about plants. Plants are living and non-living things. Yes, plants are living things. Teacher told. Yes, sir. In previous class, we discussed about the plant. Teacher explained plants are living things. First, we'll see what are living things and what are non-living things. We'll see what are living things and what are non-living things. Let's see living things. Examples. Animals are living things. Plants are living things. And humans are living things. Animals, plants and humans all are living things. Come to the non-living things. What are the non-living things? Examples for non-living things. House, book, ball, pen, cup, scale, bangle. Yes, rings. These all man-made things are called non-living things. Okay. Then what are the characteristics of the living things and non-living things? Means living things can grow. Yes or no? Yes, living things, plants also grow, no children, different shapes and different colors, flowers also. So, all living things grow, children, can grow. Living things can breathe. Then living things can move from place to another place and respond, touch and feel, children. Yes or no? Yes. Living things can grow. Living things can breathe. Living things can move. Living things respond and feel, children. These are the characteristics of the living things. And come to the non-living things. Non-living things cannot grow. Can non-living things move, children? No. Non-living things cannot grow, cannot breathe air, cannot move, cannot respond and feel. Cannot respond, cannot feel, non-living things. Living things grow, living things breathe air, living things can move, living things respond and living things can feel. And non-living things cannot grow, cannot breathe air, cannot move, cannot respond and cannot feel. Okay. Are you seeing the examples of the living things and non-living things, children? Yes. And living things react weather conditions also, children, very quickly. Why means if the weather change immediately, rainy season and summer season, due to the weather condition, living things can feel and weather effect will be on living things, children. Yes. Okay. Let's see here our EVS textbook, Zoomy General Awareness. Open page number 101. See, living things breathe and grow. Yes or no? Teacher told living things breathe and grow, and non-living things do not breathe and don't grow, children. Yes or no? If we are seeing the pictures, tick the living things in the picture. What are the living things? Can you say, children? Yes, plant, animals. Here, baby is also there, no? Baby means come under the human or, yes, cat, plant, dog. Here monkey is seeing, no children? Are you seeing the monkey? Yes. All animals, plants and humans, birds, all are living things, children. Here, are you seeing the non-living things? Bottle, car, so many things. Cup, table, computer, mobile phone, chair, crayon pencils, and a ball. These are non-living things, children. Okay. Okay, children. Open page number 101 and 100, children. Before previous class, teacher explained animal world about butterfly, life cycle of a butterfly, life cycle of a frog. And today, teacher is going to explain about the story of a chick. This chick also living or non-living thing, children? Tell me. Yes, that's correct. Chick is a living thing. And frog, yes, frog also living thing. And butterfly, yes, butterflies also living things. Okay, we'll listen the story. Teacher will explain story of a chick, and we'll do this 101 exercise, children. Okay, get ready with your EVS textbook, that is Jumi General Awareness. Open and get ready along with your pencil and eraser. Okay, children? Okay. Open page 100 and 101, children. First we'll write date, children. 19.2.21. Here you have to write C.W. Living and non-living things. Teacher told lesson number 10, children. That is lesson number 11, not 10. Okay. Page number 101 also. Write date, children. 19.2.21 C.W. Okay. Here, story of a chick. What is this, children? Story of a chick. See, children, this is a life cycle of a chick. And let's read once here first. Then after teacher will explain. Mama hen lays an egg. The egg has a hard shell. Mama hen sits on the egg and keeps it warm. Soon the shell cracks. I push myself out of the eggshell. Mama hen is near me to keep me warm and give me food. I became stronger and jump around. I love to say chip, chip, chip. Did you understand these sentences, children? This is the story of a chick. The hen, first the egg, children, develop inside the hen. See, are you seeing egg here? And hen also. What is the first step of the chick means? The egg develops inside the hen. Then the hen lays the eggs Then the hen sits on the eggs and keep the eggs warm, children. And the chick breaks out of the egg. The chick become fluffy children. Okay. Then chick grows into an adult hen, children, or adult chicken. Okay. This is the story of a chick. Are you seeing the pictures? Egg is there. Chick, hen. Hen lays eggs. After a few days, hen sits on the eggs and keeps the eggs warm. The hen. Then after soon the shell cracks. From the shell cracks, from the eggshell, the small chick will come, children. Then after mother hen feed the chick food. Then the chick become strong and healthy, jump around. Then chip, 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 chip. Like that, the chick will make the sound. And mother hen loves chicks, no, children? Yes. How your mama and papa are loving you? Yes. The same way, the hen loves the baby small chick. And how the chick will give sound, children? Yes. Chip, chip, chip. Okay. Next, come to the 101 and let's read the heading. Lesson number 11, living and non-living things. And living things breathe and grow. Yes? Non-living things don't breathe and don't grow. And the most important thing is, children, what thing we have to remember means all nature things that we see around us are either the living thing or the non-living things. Yes or no? All nature. All natural things. What are the natural things that we see around us? Either living things or non-living things. And teacher want to say natural things also, children. What are the natural things means? Air, water, land, sun. These all come under the natural things, children. Yes or no? But man-made things are all these bottle, car, crayons, cup. These all are man-made things, non-living things. And living things can grow. And living things give birth to their babies. Yes or no? Yes. And natural things, river, that is man-made thing? No, that is natural thing. Sun, natural thing. And air, natural. Water, natural. And moon, natural things, children. This we have to remember. And all natural things that we see around us are either living things or non-living things. And teacher explained previous animals, plants, humans, living things, and cars, this cup, chair, table, these all are non-living things, children. Yes. Okay. Let's see the heading. This is exercise given. Tick the living things in the picture. Are you seeing all pictures? This is baby, bag, bus, chair, jug. This is a toy. And cat, monkey, plant, dog, shirt, or this is coat, plant. From this all, we have to tick only living things, children. Tick the living things. Yes, baby is living thing. Tell me, I will tick. Yes, cat is living thing. Monkey is living thing. Plant is living thing. Dog is living thing. A big tree also a living thing. Say, children, baby, living thing. Cat. This is dog, children, or teddy bear? Yes, this is toy only. If it is real, you have to tick. But I am thinking this is toy. This is teddy bear, I think. Okay, this is toy only. So, monkey, plant, dog, tree, cat and baby. All are living things. Did you all tick, children? And you have to learn this lesson, children. Okay. Bye, children.